Okay, and then I like to show you this idle eye sensor what control this car's idle speed, and its location is just in here when we have this fuel throttle body, and when we look in here down, we first take that cable away, and then when I rotate this part in here, this is idle speed sensor, and then I take closer view, and it is in there, this white part, and this part is possible to replace. There is two parts, that part, and then when I rotate in that other direction, there is second part in here, and first I take that part in here away, and for that job I need this screwdriver, and I open these two screws in here. In that way. And there is that kind of screws in here. And then second. Okay, now these screws are open, and then I take this carefully out in here, and now it is free, and there is small valve in there, and this part looks like that, and we can go to look that closer. Okay, and here we have this throttle body, and there is this piston. It is that kind of part what moves in here when I rotate, and this is this position, and there is this throttle body, and this is this idle speed. And then this part should move like free. And look that there is those cables in here, and now there is one of these cables is free, and in that position becomes this air. There's one cable what is in this air, and this is like air comes in here inside, and there is this part, and these two are those coolant hot water. It comes in and it goes out. And then when I rotate that throttle body in another side, we can see that another view what is in here, and for that job I need again my screwdriver, and then we'll look that little bit, and there is this throttle body sensor, and then when I open these two screws in here, we can see this idle speed sensors. There is two small screws. You can see that another side, and there is this metallic plate what moves. In that position we can control this throttle body's movement, and then when I take that out, there is this copper thing what goes in there inside. There is this interesting part, and if we have tongs like that, look this head, there's head like that, I insert these tongs in there inside, and a little bit I can lift that part out, and this is something like plastic. It looks like that, and then remember to insert that in same position back, because there is this valve what is in there inside, and when I rotate that another part in here what is in that part, then this part moves. And remember to keep that in same position. Now it moves in there. It should be in same position. And this part controls this air flow. There's air flow. And remember to be very carefully. Now I insert that part back in there. And let's check that it goes in. And remember to insert just in same way this plastic thing. And now I need to be carefully that I insert that my part. Okay, and it goes in there, in. Okay, or maybe it was in another direction. And it must be go nicely in there inside. And now I have to insert that nicely in there. But this was this idle speed idea, and this part must move nicely. And this was this information, and thank you for watching that video. And remember to insert those just in same way back, because there is this metallic copper spring what adjust that part also. Okay, and then we continue.